Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I am so excited today because today I have my quarterly Vino box. And what I love about this box that I didn't know before I received it is that it is a lifestyle box. This is full of lifestyle things and a wine subscription. So let's get in it and see what we've got. Before I got my first Vino box, I thought it was just a wine subscription. I had watched a couple of the videos but not paid as much attention, and I didn't realize that it was also a lifestyle box. It comes out quarterly and it's $59.95, but you get, in theory, 2 bottles of wine and 5 to 6 lifestyle products. And this box was gifted to me for review, and I will put my other videos of the other boxes that I've done up here so you can see what the box is all about. But if you sign up using my link, it is still $59.95, but for the lifetime of your subscription, instead of getting 2 bottles of wine with each box, you will get 3 bottles of wine. So I have 3 bottles of wine and a box full of lifestyle products. I just really like this box. We are wine drinkers, so it works for us. 3 bottles is a bottle a month. We probably drink a little bit more than that, but not a whole lot. You know, periodically you'll have a spaghetti and you'll think, you know, I'd like a red wine with this. So we're those kinds of drinkers, so this really works for us. So I have 3 bottles of wine that I will tell you a little bit about, and they can be either South African wines or California wines, and you can get whites, reds, a combination, which is what I have, or you can choose sweet wines. And I might see if they'll let me do that for the next season because I really like sweet wines too. They say each quarterly box is curated to help women relax, rewind, and recharge, which is partially about the wine, but it's also about the nice lifestyle products you get too. So let me show you the 3 wines that I got this time. Last time I taped this video, I actually opened one of the wines that I had received in the box prior to that one, but I'm taping very early this morning, and even by my standards, early for wine. So I just have a nice glass of water over here and I will tell you about each of the wines. This one is a New Crush Pinot Grigio and it's a California 2019, and that is what that looks like. I like Pinot Grigios. They are a great drinking wine. When I say drinking wine, I mean like you could sit down and have a glass. You don't have to be eating. I think of wines as eating wines and drinking wines, and some do both. This does both because I also like Pinot Grigio with some nice Chinese food. It's so good with that. But this is one of my favorites. I lean towards whites and my husband leans towards reds, so the box really works for us. I also like a nice sweet one in the summer. You stick it in the fridge, you get a little cold, it's like a Moscato, so it's kind of sweet. Anyway, this is the Speechless Chardonnay, and this is a 2018 California. And Chardonnay is another one that is a good drinking or eating wine. It's good with, you know, I hate to be cliche and say like it's good with fish and chicken, but it is better with the lighter meats. And then we also have a New Crush Pinot Noir, and this is also a California 2018. Now, Pinot Noir is a darker red. I like these like if we're having spaghetti or red meat. I personally don't just sit around and drink reds too often, but I'm really the only one in the family who doesn't lean toward red, so it's nice to get one. So I have 3 bottles of this because if you sign up using my link and my code below, which my code is Kathrin, it's a real easy one. I love that they did that. Instead of getting 2 bottles with each box for the lifetime of your subscription, you will get 3. Okay, now into the lifestyle goodies. So I'm just gonna open this up. This all came in a much bigger box, and this sits right on top. And then the 3 bottles of wine and the little crates that they ship the wine in, they're like egg cartons. They protect it so well. I have never had even a bump on them. They come so well protected. Open this up. That is what it looks like, and it says, oh, and that will have cards in it that will tell us about all of the products we have in here. This is what that looks like, and it's just a little envelope, and you can take the cards out, and then each card will tell us a little bit about the things we have in here. The first card tells us what everything is, but I'm trying not to look at that. I'm gonna reach in and pull this out right on top. I'm not sure what it is, and while I open this, I will tell you that this is the spring box. It is the Ooh La La box, and it has a value of $134 or more. So when we take it out, oh, it's a necklace. Oh, it's very pretty. This is Zaxy by Stephanie Taylor. I think that we just had this in maybe a BoxyCharm. Not this, but that brand. I think we might have just had that in a BoxyCharm. So this is a gold disc with like a cubic zirconia faux diamond type thing hanging from it. It says round gold necklace with CZ stone. We have our nice card that shows the picture and tells us a little bit about it. It says this gold disc necklace from Zaxy is the perfect addition to your jewelry collection. It is a great everyday necklace that features a floating cubic zirconia with just the right amount of sparkle. Its simplicity makes it classic to wear alone or layered with other necklaces for that real on-trend look. Oh, fun. And it's gold-plated, hypoallergenic, it's a CZ stone, it's an 18-inch chain, and it has a 3-inch extender. That makes it really universal. But again, that is what it looks like up close. It is so pretty. I like that a lot. Okay, next out of the box, I have the Kenra Platinum Air Dry Cream Time-Saving Air Styler. And this is 5 fluid ounces, so it is a full size. I, generally speaking, like the Kenra products, so I know this is something I will probably like. But see what I mean? You start thinking wine, and then you get jewelry and hair products so far. And the paperwork says Kenra Platinum Air Dry Cream 6. The Kenra Air Dry Cream 6 is the perfect addition to your hair care routine and is ideal for all hair types. This product dramatically reduces air dry up to 59% and enhances natural body for effortless looks with a finish that feels product-free. I wonder if all of that is true because that sounds amazing. This time-saving styling cream delivers a delicate hold to tame frizz and resist humidity, providing a natural, carefree look. Natural, product-free finish of 5 fluid ounce tube. Let's open this up and see what it smells like. You know, we've been talking about hair products lately on the channel, and as I always say, a hair product can be fantastic, but if it doesn't smell good and I don't want to be smelling it all day, I'm just not going to use it. So put a little bit on the back of my hand, and it looks kind of like a gel. Are you intrigued by the fact that it said natural hair dried 59% more quickly? I am. My hair is thin, so it dries fairly quickly right here, but in this back, because it's so fine, it lays really flat, and I have a hard time getting that crown dry. So the thoughts of that drying 59% more quickly sounds amazing to me. Oh, that's nice. It's kind of fruity, kind of appley. And it does turn into a liquid. So I could see how it wouldn't leave you with a product feel. So you know what? I'm not gonna wipe that off. I'm gonna leave it on the back of my hand and let it dry down and see if I was gonna say if it stays tacky, but you hear how my hands sound dry already? It doesn't feel like it's gonna be tacky. That is really interesting. Reaching in next, I'm taking this out because I can see it and I'm intrigued. Oh, it's a picture. This is not a bag or a toy. Okay. 3 little words: live, love, wine. I love this. Partially, I don't know if you're a Saturday Night Live fan and you watched last week's episode where it kind of talked about some of these plaques. Hilarious. If you get it, you get it. Anyway, this is really nice. See how thick this is? Look how, I mean, this is a really nice quality. I would say it's probably, that's my hand, so 6 by 6-ish if I were guessing. And it's quill to paper by 6 trees, handcrafted and designed in the USA. Let's see what the paperwork says. These high-quality hand-finished wood box signs are the perfect addition to your home's decorations. They are sure to add character and style to any living room, kitchen, or bar. Oh, cute. Designs will vary. And the other one that they show the one I received, and the other one says, all you need is love. And a nice bottle of wine. Let me show you that. That's what it looks like. So cute. You know what? Hashtag wine. If I leave it there, can you see it? No, there's no fun in that. Now you can see it. All right, reaching in next, I have, oh, candy. Well, chocolate, even better than candy. Moonstruck, Portland, Oregon, creamy milk chocolate, 31%. So it's gonna be very creamy. When I'm trying to be healthy, I try and make myself eat more dark chocolate because they say that's better for you. But if you want chocolate to just melt in your mouth and feel creamy, this 31% is gonna be awesome. About 1/3 of the bar is 150 calories. I know, way to bring the misery, right? The paperwork says, oh yum, these chocolate bars are sure to make your day. That's probably true. Made from sustainable cocoa, Moonstruck Chocolate Company classic bars are perfect for every chocolate lover. The flavor combinations are sure to surprise and delight. All natural ingredients, and there were assorted flavors. So I just got the creamy milk chocolate, but you could have received what's very little. Dark chocolate almond, think that says dark. Technically, it could say milk. Milk chocolate salted toffee and milk chocolate cinnamon. Ooh, that sounds good. Those all sound really, really good. That is what they look like. Reaching in, last but not least, I have the Aqua de Sol Quince and Passion Fruit. I don't know what's in here. I'm gonna say, judging by the weight of it, it's a candle, and this one is burning. It's down to about here, so I'm about ready for that. Let's get in here. Quince and Passion Fruit. That sounds really lovely. Oh, it opens up in, I love those boxes. Don't you love them? Oh, it smells so good. The inside is in no way branded. That's very interesting. This is Aqua de Soy. It says on the bottom, it says it has a 60-hour burn time. Burn this amazing scented soy candle from Aqua de Soy while you are sipping back and relaxing from a long day. These candles are made of natural 100% soy oil with a burn time of 50+ hours. It is the perfect aromatherapy, mood elevation, relaxation, or way to enhance any space you choose. Handmade in the USA. And it says it came in assorted scents, but they only show the one picture. This smells lovely. I don't know what other scents might have been out there, but this one smells fantastic. Okay, so that is the Vino box. But while I was just putting everything away, I saw in the bottom of my box, I have this. And it is the Cheers. And just relative to size, it's called the Every Day is a Party with Slant Collections. Jumbo stemless wine glass, 30 fluid ounces. Its claim to fame, it says on top, is that it holds an entire bottle of wine. So if you just had a day that you can't bear, this is the wine glass for you. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in here. That is super, super cute. I have to admit, I don't think I ever drink that much wine, but I will set this aside until I come up with something really cute to do with it, because an entire bottle of wine, that's adorable. And you get that if you use my link below and sign up. All right, so that is Vino. Let me know below what you guys think. I like it because it's so unique. I like that it's wine, but that it's also lifestyle. So we get 3 bottles of wine, and I got a Chardonnay, a Pinot Noir, and a Pinot Grigio, and this month all 3 of mine were from California. 2 from New Crush, right? Yeah, and 1 from Speechless. And then for our lifestyle products, we got this cute sign, which it may stay here, but I have a wine rack downstairs, and I'm really tempted to take it down and put it on the wine rack, but it may stay here and look cute for a while. I got this really sweet necklace and the Kenra Platinum Make Your Hair Dry 59% Faster and Feel Like It Has No Product on It. Right now, my mom is saying, I want that, Kathrin. I know, Mom. We also received the milk chocolate bar from Moonstruck and this gorgeous smelling quince and passion fruit, I think that's what it was, candle. I want that. I'm gonna leave this burning all day. You're getting ready to see this shirt several times because I'm gonna tape. I'm gonna leave this burning the entire time that I tape, hoping that I burn through it and I can start using this one. And this month's value says that it was $134 or more. I feel certain that the variation in this month is probably the wine. All right, guys, let me know below what you think. But I mean, wine, chocolate, candles, I mean, this is pretty much right in my wheelhouse. I will put my link and my code below, which is just Kathrin, and that will get you, for the lifetime of your subscription, an extra bottle of wine. Instead of getting 2 bottles with each box, you will get 3 bottles with each box, and it is $59.99. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I can't wait to see you again. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care out there, guys. Bye.